Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 47. In how many ways can a student select two subjects from five subjects? Now, this is a combination. That is, in how many ways can a student select two subjects from five subjects? That is, we know that n combination r is given as n factorial all over n minus r factorial that is multiplied by r factorial. Now we're asked to pick the number of students, how many ways by which a student can select two subjects from five subjects. That means two subjects combination, five subjects. Five subjects combination, two subjects. Sorry, that is five combination, two subjects, because you're trying to select what two subjects from five subjects. So that's five combination, two subjects. Now this is equals to 5 combination and 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial, then multiply by 2 factorial. Now this is equals to 5 factorial all over 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, and this is option A. 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, same thing as 5 factorial all over 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So this is the right answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.